Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, we'll be seeing mirror entities and sketch pattern. Let's get to it. Let's first start with mirror entity. It is used to produce a mirrored entity of the selected sketches. And let us sketch on an entity and draw a construction line first. So let's first draw an entity or a sketch. Suppose I want to mirror this circle. I draw the circle and I just need to draw a construction line. And now if I want to mirror it about this line, I just activate mirror, select this, mirror about, and select this line. If I want to retain both the original as well as the mirrored entity, I just press the copy option. Both of them will be retained. In case if I don't want the original, I can just uncheck the copy option. The original will not be there, only the mirrored one will be there. And next is the linear sketch pattern. So let's see that. We'll delete the sketches and draw again. So if I just want to produce if I want linear patterns of this slot, I just activate linear pattern, select the entities, and we can adjust the number of instances here, and we can also adjust the distance between the instances. I have given it as 50 mm so that there is clear spacing. Dimension X spacing will just dimension the spacing between the instances, and this angle can be adjusted as per the requirement. I'll keep it at 0 for now. It also a second direction can be given. It'll pattern along Y, and we can again adjust the distance over here. As you can see, it has produced a pattern over here. Here also we can adjust the angle based on the requirement. I'll be keeping it at 90, and now we can press OK, and we have a pattern over here. It has been repeated. So this basically saves time. So mirror and linear sketch patterns are basically used to save time, because when producing symmetrical bodies, only one side of it can be drawn and the other part can be mirrored, which saves a lot of time. Same with sketch patterns, because if you need to produce these many slots, you can just pattern them instead of drawing them one by one. And there is another sketch pattern, circular sketch pattern. We'll be looking into it. We'll just delete this sketch, and again let's take a slot itself. And if I want a circular pattern for this slot, just draw the slot like this. And now I activate circular pattern and I select this, and then I can just increase the number of instances however I need it. And you can also change the X and Y centers over here based on the requirements. However it is needed, you can change. You can dimension radius and dimension angular spacing. Will dimension the radius of this circle and the angle between these the entities. You can also give the radius and the arc angle. So make sure to use either radius and arc angle or X and Y centers. Using both will not work, because as you can see, if I change this, the X and Y centers change. So only one of them have to be used. And now however the pattern is needed, you can adjust the parameters over here, and once you press OK, the pattern is produced. As you can see, the radius and the angle have been dimensioned. They are at 60 degrees and the radius is 176.26 mm. That's how a circular sketch pattern works. And in this video we just saw mirror and sketch patterns. That's about it for this video. If you liked and found it helpful, like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please do ask them in the comments. I'll try my best to address them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.